Good day, everyone. It's me again, Teacher Donna, and welcome back to our math class. So, are you ready for our new lesson? Okay, very good. So, I want you to prepare your books, pencil, and your paper. So, let's get started. So, our topic for today is all about word problems involving subtraction and addition. Okay, so let's have first a subtraction word problem. Okay, I have here an example problem. So there were 35 chocolates in a jar. 15 chocolates were eaten by the baby. So how many chocolates should there be in the jar now? So in order to get the answer, so we need to solve word problems and we need to follow these following steps. Okay, the first one is you will read and understand the problem. So again, this is a problem and you will understand and read and understand the problem. And then the numbers 2 step is you find out what are the given and what are asked. You look for the hidden question. Okay, the given and what are given is 35 chocolates in the jar and 15 chocolate eaten by the baby. So those are the given of the problem. And the next one, what is asked? No, how many were left? So that is the hidden question. So what is asked? How many were left? And the third one is you will determine the operation to be used. So it would be subtraction. Again, from the word left, meaning to say it's subtraction. And you can now solve the problem and you will you can check your answer. Okay, so 35 minus 15 is equals to. So 35 minus 15 in a vertical way. So you have to subtract first the ones place, which is 5 minus 5. So it's equals to 0. And proceed to the 1 and the next place, which is the tens place. So we have here 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So our answer would be 20. So there are 20 chocolates were left. And you can check your answer by adding it upward. So the answer or the difference, which is 20, and the minuend, which is 15. So you can add them all. So 20 plus 15 is equals to, or 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. 2 plus 1 is equals to 35. So we can now get the answer, which is 35. Now, and then, so, very good. So this is the next one or the next problem. So we have here Gab had 42 marbles. He gave 30 to Dylan. And how many does he had left? Okay. So again, you have to write all the given. So we have here 42 marbles and he gave 30 marbles to Dylan. And how many does he had left? So that would be the asked. You look for the hidden question. Again, the hidden question would be the ask. Okay. Now, the operation that we're going to use is subtraction because we all know that the word left is a subtraction. And now we can now subtract. So 42 minus 30, that one is in a vertical way. So you subtract first the ones place, which is 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 is equals to? Okay, very good. How about the next place, which is the tens place? 4 minus 3. Very good. It's 12. So there are 12 marbles left. And now we can check your answer by adding it upward. So we have here 12 plus 30. So you can now add in the first place, which is the ones place. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2 and 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. That's how you check in subtraction. Okay, 42. Okay, so next problem. Okay, this one. Aliana had 149 cookies, so she gave 120 to Stacy. So how many cookies were left? So what is the given, or what are the given? Grade 2? Okay, very good. So we have here 149 cookies and 120 cookies. He gave that to Stacy. So what is the ask? When you look for the hidden question. So what is it? Okay, very good. So how many cookies were left? And what is the operation that you are going to use? Okay, very good. It's subtraction. And now we can show your solution. No? So we have here 149 minus 120. So you subtract first the ones place. So 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So you don't need to write 0. So there are 29 cookies were left. Again, 149 minus 120 is equals to 29. So there are 29 cookies were left. And now we can now check our answer. So we have here 29 plus 120. So you will adding that one in upward. So 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. And put down the number 1. Again, 29 plus 120 is equals to 149. And that's how you will check your answer in the subtraction, by adding it upward. Okay, the next one would be the addition word problem, because we are done naman in a subtraction word problem. Okay, so here, Anna went to the grocery store. She bought 12 packs of cookies and 16 packs of noodles. So how many packs of groceries did she buy in all? So it's the same process or the same steps in the subtraction. So you get half. Two, you have to get first the given. So what are the given? So we have here 12 packs of cookies and 16 packs of noodles. So what would be the ask? So the ask would be, how many packs of groceries did she buy in all? Okay, I'll give you a technique in how to get the ask. The ask would be, it's the hidden question. So the ask, you can find that one in the last sentence of the problem. So again, the ask is how many packs of groceries did she buy in all? And the next one is, what is the operation that we're going to use? So we will use addition. It's because it's how many. So you have to do it total. And we can now add them by this one, like in a vertical way. So we have here 12 plus 16. 12 cookies and 16 noodles. So add first the ones place, which is 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. And the tens place is 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. 2. Okay, very good. So we have here 28 packs of groceries in all. So in how to check your answer. So you have to subtract it backward. So we have here 28 minus 16. Subtract it by upward rather. So 8 minus 6 equals to 2. And 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So we get that 112. Another example we have here, Ruben went to a pet shop. He bought 15 goldfish and 7 bluefish. So how many fish did he buy? So what we're going to do is we will have to find what are the given. So what would be the given, man? Okay, very good. We have here 15 goldfish and 7 bluefish. So how many, what is the ask for the hidden question? Very good. How many fish did he buy? Then let's proceed with the operation. So what operation did we use? Addition. Very good. And now we can now add them vertical way. So we have here 15 goldfish and 7 bluefish. So add first the ones place, which is 5 plus 7. It is equals to 2, and bring down 1. Oh, it's wrong. No, it's 1. It's not 2. It's 1. It's 12. Now we have here, okay, so what operation would we use in getting the problem? So we have here addition. So we can now add them in vertical way. So we have here 15 plus 7. 15 for the goldfish and 7 for the very good bluefish. And now we can now add them. So we have here 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So bring down 2, carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Very good. And there are 22 fish in all. And to check your answer, you just have to subtract it upward. So we have here 22 minus 7 is equals to, again, so we have here the regrouping. So 2 will become 12. And here 2 will become 1. So it's 12. It's the same process, 22. And the answer would be 5 and bring down 1. So if we have here 15. Next problem is the scouts brought 620 seedlings. They planted 185 seedlings during the first day at the camp. On the second day, they planted 250 seedlings. So how many seedlings have been planted already? And how many more seedlings need to be planted? So it's very, very confusing. So what we're going to do is we will find first what are the given. So we have here 620 seedlings, 185 seedlings, and 250 seedlings. So these are the given. And the ask or the hidden question is how many seedlings have been planted already and how many more seedlings need to be planted. So there are two asks in the problem. And what are the operations we are going to use? Okay, very good. We have here addition, and for this one is for the addition. So how many seedlings have been planted already? Again, if we talk about how many, it talks about addition. And the answer is 185. No, 185 plus 250. You have to add it first. So 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. And 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. Bring down 3, carry 1 at the top. So we have here 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. We have here 435. So 435 seedlings planted for 2 days. And the second ask is subtraction. So this would be the subtraction. How many more seedlings need to be planted? And we have here 620 subtract it by 435. So 0 minus 5, it's gonna be, you have to borrow it in the tens place, which is the 2. So 2 will become 1 and 0 will become 10. So we can now subtract it. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. And 1 minus 3, it's cannot be. So we need to borrow to the next place, which is in the hundreds place. So 6 will become 5 and the 1 will become 11. No, so we can now subtract that. 11 minus 3 is equals to 8 and 6 and 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So we have here 620 minus 435 is equals to 185 seedlings needed to be planted. Okay, so very good, grade 2 Newton. I hope you learned your lesson for today. So I hope you learned a lot from me, and thank you for listening, Teacher Donna. So this would be your math things to do in in your math 2 lesson 3.2. So this would be the um your activity, and this would be your assignment. Yeah, this one assignment, and this would be your quiz. Okay, there you go. Again, it's 3.2. So thank you for listening to Teacher Donna, and I hope you learned something from me, and see you soon. Bye!